my presentation on the disadvantages of cloning. So why is it bad? There are many reasons cloning can be bad, but I narrowed it down to 4 main reasons. It costs too much and it is very insufficient. Most attempts fail. Scientists try to use it for food, but to the consumer eating the food, it's very unhealthy, and it may take a long time. One main reason is the cost of cloning. It is extremely expensive, and it's a waste of money because most of the times it doesn't really turn out good. I guess I don't have pictures anymore. For eggs, to clone you need a lot of eggs, and in order to get one egg, the cost of including the surgery and the transportation could cost up to $1,000. So that's very expensive. So Dolly, the first clone sheep, well, she costed, including all the research and the actual experiment, she costed $750,000, and she lived for half the life expectancy for a sheep, and developed arthritis at a very early stage. A man named Richard Seed wants to start recruiting human guinea pigs in order to attempt to clone humans. He does not have a lab, and so this project, if it's going to work or not, it'll still cost $1 million. Another big issue is cloning food. Well, there's a couple of reasons it is bad. The main issue is health issues. The meat of the cloned animals has not been tested for humans to eat, and deformities make consumption of the food could be even worse, so scientists must kill deformed animals. Some deformities happen on a cellular level and might be extremely dangerous to consume, and so we cannot tell if they have deformities in the cellular level without testing them. It also costs a lot. It is more cheaper and more efficient to use traditional farm equipment like, milk it, or actual having natural reproduction. And so it's better just to let the cows reproduce themselves than to use test tubes. The other main reason is that a lot of the attempts to clone turn out to be failures. In the past years, the average failure rate of cloning cats and dogs has been 99.5%. As you saw in Spencer's, we use the same source. Clones that are delivered from the father can never be exact clones of the father, because down to the DNA, there could be some mishaps of maybe a guanine could be replaced by thymine. And so a lot of the embryos that are used to try and make clones usually get destroyed because they don't develop properly, or just can't be used because they're not compatible. Many of the clones that do come out successful have various amounts of deformities, and different animals have different failure rates and different deformities. So we can never be sure that if we try to clone a new animal, that it will come out successful or not, because you pretty much never base a cat on a dog, because the failure rates can differ by a lot. Also, when using a surrogate mother to deliver a fetus, 1/3 of the confirmed large offspring syndrome, where a clone that has large offspring syndrome will usually come out 2 or 3 times larger than the actual clone donor that it is cloned by. And so one thing that is bad about LOS is that it's completely random, and scientists can never see if it's when a fetus is in developing. They can never see if it is developing large offspring syndrome because it happens after birth. One thing that many people overlook about cloning is the time that it takes to clone. When scientists cloned a black stallion, a young black stallion, it took 2 to 3 years, including the research. And so some animals, if we want to start cloning, could take 50 years of testing and trying this and trying that, and just